Found myself dreaming in silver and gold, like a scene from a movie that every broken heart knows. We're walking on moonlight, before me grows. Split second, you disappeared, and then I was all alone. I woke up in tears, you by my side, breath of relief, and I realized when I promised tomorrow. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like I'm saying goodbye. Whoever was standing, I won't take you for granted, 'cause we never know when we run out of time. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you.
In a blink of an eye, just whisper of smoke. You could lose everything. The truth is you never know. So I can show longer back any chance that I can. I'll make the most of the minutes so low with no regrets. Let's take our time to say what we want. Here's what we got before it's all gone.